Today I want to show you guys this bird feeder. The brand sent it to me to make a video for you guys. As you can see, it has built-in camera, and the camera has AI feature. It identifies about 10,000 different bird species, and this is the only camera I tested. It comes with 1 year trial for the future. Normally you have to subscribe, but this has 1 year trial. That is really decent. And you can see you have this tray, and it has some holes on the bottom, so in case there is any rain, it's not gonna puddle water and ruin the food. So that is really cool feature. It will drain, and you can easily see how much food left inside. And you also have another container here. You can place some water here, and this comes with it. You have two more extra, and you can just place some uh, vegetables, fruits, whatever the birds like. And very easy to install. It just took me only like 2 minutes. You can see all you have to do is like attach two screws and secure it on the bottom. That's pretty much it. So on the top you can see you have nice easy area. You can easily refill, very large area to refill, and it comes with the solar panel. You can easily connect it to it. So overall it works really well. It charges during the day, and also has this Wi-Fi antenna. It gives better signal quality, and the birds like the food. I hope you guys find this useful.